Alright guys, hey, so how's it going? I thought I'd do a little quick video. If you have a 4-eyed Mustang or any Mustang in particular, just talking about Fox bodies, it can be any other kind of Mustang. Personally here I have an 82 Mustang. Now, when I was thinking about doing my gauges, I was going to go the traditional route, replace them like with odometer gauges. But I looked up this company online, Intellitronix, and they have this pretty good setup. It's a universal kit, so there's a little bit more involved as far as fabricating your own setup, but I think it looked pretty sweet. I chose the red LED light, so you can see them when you turn the key forward, they turn on already. It's the way it's set up. Now they have your volts, temp, RPM, miles per hour, fuel, and your oil. They work pretty good. So as you can see, I really love the look. I know it looks a little orange on the video, but trust me, they're red in color. I know they look orange here, but I think at night they look really good. They come off and they complement the dash, so I'm going all black. Interior, still haven't finished it yet, but it's my 82. She's getting still getting tuned up, just getting ready. Got this little GT Grand steering wheel. I'll probably change this up in a little while. Her shifter, but yeah, if you're considering getting some gauges, I really recommend this Intellitronix gauge setup. Really good, really functional, pretty easy to set up. It's like 3-4 wire hookup for each gauge. Really simple, straightforward. The instructions they give you are straightforward as well. Mile per hour, they got an electronic sensor attaches to your transmission, so go ahead and look them up. You'll be very surprised.